to the Urban Showroom. Today there's a bit of a special event going on. We've got a record handover for Urban Automotive to one customer. Come with me and we'll show you what's going on. So as you can see, we've got 5 very similar Urban 110 Defender commercials in the showroom here. And why is that, you may ask? Well, a bit of an exciting day today. We've got 5 cars going to the same company. Now that's a record for Urban, and it'd be wrong of me to take the limelight for that. But the person that can take the limelight is my salesman, Alex. So, Alex, tell us how that came about, mate.
Mate, you can't throw me like that.
So this is Alex. Alex is one of our sales specialists here at the Urban Showroom. Alex took the initial inquiry into this fantastic deal. So how did it come about, mate?
Initially, it's just a phone call. Just looking at plug-in hybrid Defenders.
Right, okay.
Just looking at company tax benefits. Then we don't generally stock them too much. But what we do have a flurry of stock is Defender 110 hardtops.
So I can see they're all, in appearances, the same, Alex, but tell us about any individualities, any differences.
So all 5 cars are exactly the same spec-wise from Land Rover. So all 110 hardtop, HSE, X-Dynamics. The only difference is, mainly visible, is the colour on Ben's car. Right, okay. With them going for a Carpathian grey. So initially talking to them, they wanted a fleet of 5 black vehicles.
Yeah, all the same,
Explain sort of the ones that we had coming through build. Explain the Carpathian grey, how it's a premium paint colour, and you get the contrast as well with the kit on it. Sent a few photos to Ben, and he really liked the idea of that, of having something a little bit different to the rest of them.
Quite nice, I was going to say, it's quite nice to set him apart from the rest of the fleet as well. Yeah, really nice.
In terms of wheels, they were all exactly the same. All wanted WX2s, except from Alex. And he's chosen to opt for the WX3s. Like the more rally style of wheel. But he was the only one. But as with everyone, the WX2s are generally the most popular wheel we do.
Tends to be the most popular. Personally myself, I like the WX3s. They're on call at the moment, and they're just, I think they're just a bit more of a rally. That's the old man in me, I think.
Yeah, spot on. But otherwise, they're all exactly the same. All the Widetrack package with the square DRL lights. Side steps.
So this is about the most we can put on a Defender 110, isn't it? Other than a few bespoke options, but our standard builds, these are pretty much as good as it gets.
Widetrack Defenders come, this is all out. Mainly go for a bonnet option. But again, it's very rare that we get those, but this is our main build. So, I mean, a massive well done to Alex, and I think a collective well done to everyone in the team, both here on site, living, admin, the detailing guys out, and then a big thank you to the guys at HQ, because without them, building the cars, getting the cars ready on time, it just wouldn't happen, and it wouldn't be as smooth as it has been. So fantastic work from everyone. So all that's left to do now is just wait for the customers to arrive and then wave them off as they roll out. I mean, how fantastic is that going to look? 5 Defenders, all the same spec, led with the Carpathian grey, rolling up the road. That's just going to look an awesome sight.